The Leatherman Surge 21-in-1 multi-tool is a powerhouse designed for heavy-duty tasks across work, home, garden, DIY, and auto applications. Made from durable stainless steel, this versatile tool features 21 essential functions, including pliers, wire cutters, knives, screwdrivers, bottle openers, and more. It's equipped with locking mechanisms to ensure safety during use. The Surge stands out with its robust build and comfortable grip, ideal for demanding projects. The included MOLLE sheath makes it easy to carry and keep organized, whether on a tool belt or in a bag. Its size and weight strike a perfect balance between portability and functionality, handling tough jobs without being overly cumbersome. Whether you're fixing equipment, working on home projects, or handling auto repairs, the Surge offers reliable performance every time. Its quality and range of tools make it a must-have for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike.